Hey, good people, remember the last video we were discussing bopping versus stepping. So remember I told you I was going to give you all some videos on that, right? So remember I told you, okay? So what we got here is some videos to show you all the difference between bopping and stepping, to make it clear. I mean clear! So you understand the difference between bopping and stepping for you Chicago folks that still want to claim it's the same dance. Remember, that's what the subject was. So right now, we're going to show you all videos. Like for example, this right here, that's bopping, y'all. You can see it all day. Boppity bop, two-step over here, two-step back and forth, boppity yop, 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 yop. I don't mean to make it sound that bad, but that's bopping. You bopping, you two-step over here, you double over here, double over there, double. Shuffle, 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 shuffle. That right there, that's the original Man on Man. That's Ty Skippy. And one of his boys, I don't know him. If you know him, please send me his information, please. I would love to know it. I want to put him down there too. Because we all supposed to be down there. Y'all, come on now. And we got to show y'all the difference between bopping and stepping. Those Man on Man, that was so cool. That was cool. Wasn't that cool? You can't miss this opportunity, man. You gotta be real with this game and the love for this dance, and you truly love this dance. You want to know where it came from. Seriously.
Now that's traditional man on man right there. By two new schoolers.
This right here, this is Demeter and Janice in the girl on girl competition, original Gangster Steppin, girl on girl. Girl on girl, right y'all? Then we got Demeter and we got Janice. And then the other one, we got my girl Darlinda and one of her friends. I wish y'all would tell me if she's still alive. I would love to know her name too. But Darlinda, Janice, and Demeter, three of the top queens of the game. Oh my goodness, a lot of the flavor that you see out here right now comes from those three souls.